Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will discuss about surface areas and volume. Before starting this topic, I want to show you some objects that I have made a collection of, and you have to observe all these shapes and try to understand which shape it has and how it has been made, what is used in it, how much space it has inside, how much cardboard or plastic or wood or paint, all the things, as much as you can observe. I would like to show you few things, but you can also make your own collection at your home. You may be having many things. Try to collect the objects having these shape which we are having in our course. First is cuboid, cube, cylinder, any conical shape, or a sphere. Though I will show you few extra shapes also that are having some similar pattern as the other objects. So I'll start with it. So first of all, I have this aluminium foil box. I hope you can read it. It may not, as I'm using the front cameras, you may be able to use it. Otherwise, you can use a mirror. Put the video in front of the mirror. You will be able to read it. So here you see, if I open it, this part is the flap part. This is an extra part, okay? And the shape of this box is, here is a square, the top is a square, but these sides, these are rectangles. So we cannot call it a cube. So it is a cuboid, okay? The base and top. If I put it like this, then the base is a rectangle. So any of the face of a cuboid can be a square or a rectangle. And I hope you remember that every square is a rectangle. Yeah, every square is a rectangle, but every rectangle cannot be a square. It may or may not be square. Okay, it may be a square, may not be also. Even I have a doubt that whether this is really a square. It's look like a square, but it may not be. So you can use this box. It's a wonderful shape, and we will try to measure its surface area. And inside it, there is another beautiful shape, which is this silver foil roll. If I show you from this side, you see this is hollow from here. Okay. So, but it's this part, this much part, where the silver foil is wrapped, is a solid part, is some part of the volume, not a complete volume, because inside it is a hollow. So how much silver foil it carries? You may observe the box. Outside the box, generally the length of the silver foil is written, not volume. Yeah, it has 72 meter. Okay, look here. It is written 72 meter. Okay, I'll just quickly show you some objects. This is a cylinder. This shape is not in our syllabus, but you can identify this is a kind of you can see this. If I keep it like this, it is a triangular prism. Yeah. What about this? This is what shape is this? Is it a cuboid? You see this upper square and here is a lower. You can feel a square shape here. Are they same? They are not same. So this is not a cuboid, because the base and top face should be same. What it is? It is a part of a... Okay, I'm leaving this part. We will discuss it whenever we will be in the class. I will ask you what can be the shape of this. This is a glue. We a paste kind of thing in it. To paste something, a glue. This is a bottle, hollow bottle. It's empty inside. There's nothing. It is a cylinder. Not cylinder, upper is cylinder. Here is a cuboid and the base is a beautiful square. It's another cuboid having the base as the square. A cuboid can have a square base also. Now I'll show you this. When the base becomes circular, we get a beautiful cylindrical shape. It is your favorite one, the jam one. And you see the publicity wrapper, the upper wrapper is pasted on its surface, not inside. So we need, what we need to find this, that how much paper will be used to cover it, this lateral surface. It is the base, here is the top, and this is the, not lateral, I'm sorry, it is curved surface. It is curved. When we talk about lateral surface, then it should be a cuboid. So this is lateral, these are lateral surfaces. Okay. I'm showing you all cuboids. Yeah, so here though I have this piggy bank, the gullak, not exactly the sapphire, but looks like a sapphire. So we'll try to find, I have painted it. So how much paint I have used? I have painted the outer surface only. So that is the surface area get painted by me. And one last object with me is this open cuboid. Okay, we use it to hang on the wall to keep something. And it can be in this shape or in this shape, or can be used like this also. Thank you very much. So you make your own collection of the objects and try to use the formula that we are going to discuss in this chapter to find their surface areas and volume. Another beautiful and important thing is, like if I show you this bottle of Kisan Jam, over here it is written that the jam, the net weight is written here. 500 gram. Similarly, on this also the net weight is written. Volume is not written. But if you see this conditioner bottle, then here it is, the net volume is 300 ml in milliliter. The volume of this sanitizer bottle is also mentioned here, 100 milliliter. So how it is measured? How it is 100 milliliter? We are measuring the length, breadth and height in meter, centimeter, foot. So not in milliliter. So what is the connection between milliliter, centimeter and liter, centimeter, meter? And so we will also discuss that. We'll make some shape of having volume of 1 milliliter, 1000 milliliter. Okay, using some, we'll use a cube for that. You know how we measure volume? We measure the volume in cubic unit and we measure the area in square unit. Okay, fine. Thank you very much for watching it.